Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. I am Nazir Ahmad Wani, Master High School, Gunshputra. Today my topic is monohybrid inheritance and law of segregation for class 10th, subject biology. Mendel first crossed pure bred tall pea plantus with pure bred dwarf pea plantus and found all the plants produced in F1 generation were tall. Here we see the pure bred pea plants have capital T 2 factors, whereas pure bred dwarf pea plants have factors small t. The crossed breed or the hybrid obtained in F1 generation have factors mixed capital T small t and all the plants were tall. Then Mendel crossed the tall plants of F1 generation with one another and found or obtained plants which were in the ratio 3:1 as tall and dwarf. Here you see in the figure the tall plants with factors capital T small t of F1 generation, when they were cross bred, the plants obtained, they were found two contrasting characteristics, tallness and dwarfness. Three of were tall and one was dwarf. So the ratio 3:1 is known as monohybrid ratio. Then he suggested a law that is called law of segregation or Mendel's first law of inheritance, which states that the characteristics or traits of an organism are determined by internal factors which occur in pairs. Only one such factor can be present in a single gamete. So when these are bred, they are crossed, the factor exists in the generation obtained from this cross. Thank you.